Good morning students, my name is Deepika Khare. Once again I welcome you in my channel Absolute Mentor. If you like my videos, please like, share and subscribe it. Today I am going to teach you next part of Indus Valley Civilization. Yesterday we have discussed about the introductory part of Indus Valley Civilization. Now today we discuss about Sabha and Samiti. Sabha and Samiti. Actually Sabha and Samiti is the political organization of that time when Indus Valley Civilization is there. So political or unit is there, that is known as Sabha and Samiti. Actually the work of this Sabha and Samitis are given here. I will tell you what the function of these Sabha and Samiti. Sabha was the body of elder Brahmins and rich patrons. Actually Sabha, whatever the Sabha we call, the Sabha is the Brahmins and rich patrons organization. It means only Brahman and rich persons included in Sabha. Actually these two organizations are political unit and it is made for the judicial purpose. That's why. So Sabha was elder people, or elder people at that time. Elder people is known as Brahmins and rich persons, those who have privilege from their birth. These are included in Sabha. Samiti. Samiti was ordinary assembly of tribe Visha. Actually Samiti is known as ordinary assembly. It is also same important, but it is for ordinary people, mostly for tribal people, and Visha. These members of this Samitis are called Visha. The king attends Samiti and Samiti was to elect king. King was the head of Samiti also. So king attends Samiti, whatever the function and judicial matters are there. So king attends Samiti, but Samiti has the right to elect the king. Justice was based on dharma and king was the head. King was the head of judicial decision and judicial matters. Only king gave the decision, but justice was almost based on dharma. Whenever we talk about justice, so it is based on dharma. It means whatever the dharma is said, whatever our books have said, whatever our Vedas have said at that time. So dharma is the main part of judiciary. The village head Gramin led the villagers in the time of war and attend the meeting of Sabha and Samiti. Actually the village head, who is the village head? Gramin. The head is known as Gramin. So Gramin attend the meetings of Sabha and Samiti, and at the time of war Gramin was to lead these Sabha and Samiti. That's all for today. It is the introductory part of Sabha and Samiti, and I will tell you, told you the function of Sabha and Samiti. Next level we talk about the Varna system. That's all for today. Have a nice day. Thank you.